Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker BBBY. So to get straight into it, we can see obviously we have faded. We did this old momentum pump. This was all documented on the channel. If you wanted to see our analysis going through this, we basically knew where it was going to stop because the standard deviation channels, even if there is crazy momentum going on the stock and hype buying, they are still pretty good at predicting where these tops are going to be. So we saw that was basically the top. We have continued to fade down. Getting a lot of hate in those comments if you go in there. People saying, oh, it's going to the moon, it's going to the moon. Obviously, it wasn't. It was a meme stock. And if you still think it's going to the moon, to be honest, this video is probably not for you. We're looking at it in a statistical probability way and a rational way. And this stock, if you're trading it off pure hype, you're already playing a losing game. But either way, if we do continue to fall, which again is probably more than likely, because if anything, this company is going to be more fundamentally weak than when the price was at 440. And the reason for this is obviously the environment, that the interest rates have gone up since then. And in a company like especially Bed Bath & Beyond, which are heavily indebted, they are getting destroyed by interest rates. And really they only have two choices. Either don't take any more loans out, and all that would do is hinder their growth. And even if they do take up more loans, then their stock's going to fall because their profit margins are going to get destroyed, considering they're paying so much more for the money than they were even just a year ago. So really be understanding the fundamentals, really in the market if you're trading. Unless you're day trading, you really need to be understanding the fundamentals of these companies, because you're going to see when the CPI releases are come out, or really anything linked to inflation, which is really key right now, things like Bed Bath & Beyond are going to get hit very hard of this news because investors know they are heavily indebted. Now, if though we do continue down, which again is most likely, we have our next support at 415, or 430. So this would be the key support. Again, that would be a 52-week low, but we'd definitely see some buying pressure come in here. Don't really think it's going to reverse off this level, but definitely could see some buying pressure come in. Then going lower, the only other statistical level we have is at 35 cents. Even though I don't think Bed Bath & Beyond is a fundamentally strong company, I don't see it going down to 35 cents because considering it's now recent, really momentum history, if it goes down that low, Wall Street bets are just going to buy it up. So really, I would just be paying attention to the key psychological levels, considering this is such already a low price stock. And what do we mean by that? We just mean the whole and half dollars. So $4, $3.50, $3, and so on. And that would be the key focus to the downside. Now, on the other hand, if for any reason we start getting a momentum pump, what are we paying attention to? And that's $6.15 is going to be that first resistance, because that is our statistical mean on the daily. We could see the stock kind of reverse to this level, considering this is now its statistical mean price in the past year. So we could see a reversal to there. But again, unless there's some sort of crazy movement in Wall Street bets or a tiny momentum pump, really, we're probably not going to go past that level. But if we did, we would have further resistances at $10.30, $12, $16.25, $18, and final levels taking us to $22, $24, $28.30, and $29.50. Anyway, that is the breakdown for Bed Bath & Beyond. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.